Well, hello everyone. Today is the first day of spring, so it's an amazing day. Sun is out, birds are chirping. Spring has officially started. So, saying that, remember your spring cleaning, and that sometimes you may need to replace some of your window coverings as well as window screens. Wow, check that out. That guy is jamming. So anyhow, maybe I should add some more background music besides the guy on the bike, huh? So anyhow, we would definitely like to ask you to visit our bestcustomscreens.com website. The products that we offer there are window screens, sliding screen doors, swinging screen doors, storm doors, as well as blinds and shades. Okay, during this time of COVID, it's obviously been challenging for everyone, but I think that things are kind of settling down now, and it's time to just open those windows, allow some fresh air to come in. If you have any window screens or any screen doors that you need to get replaced, then just, give us a call or check us out on our website. Okay, thank you very much. Take care, and God bless.